Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. Thanks for tuning in. Today is Thursday. I haven't been posting much of the mini clips because of the vlogs. I've been giving you guys a lot of vlogs, which is good, because that is what the channel is about, as well as me motivating you, encouraging you, and giving you tips and advice, whenever I can, whenever I'm in the mood. Now, for the past few months I've been going through a lot of stuff. Everybody have their personal problems, their issues that they don't really share with the public. So, we all have those. We all go through those problems, and all of that. I'm not perfect. I'm far from it. I don't pretend to be perfect. But, I don't share everything on YouTube. And it's a reason why, as people, we can't give everything, to people, because we don't know who is watching. Not to say that I'm hiding anything, because I'm not. If you ask me any question, then I'll share it. But some things, you have to keep on the down low by right. But recently I've been going through some problems, financial difficulties, and otherwise, stuff haven't been going the way it's supposed to. Keep in mind, I'm grateful for all the things that has been happening to me. I'm really, really grateful from where I'm coming from, all those stuff, and I appreciate, all the help and thing. But sometimes everybody have their plans, everybody have their goals, and when you're not achieving your goals when you want it to, or you feel like there's a delay in you achieving your goal, there's borders, there's roadblocks, preventing you from reaching your goals, and you need realistic solutions. People might say, oh, pray about it, ask God. Yes, you can pray about it, but these need actions. These need real actions for them to to solve these problems. So it's not a matter of you going down on your knees and pray about it. These need real actions to get these things done. And a few people might understand where I'm coming from. The rest of you might not know, and I can't blame you for that. But I just want to share that I'm stressed out, a bit. I have reasons to be stressed out. I'm not always stressed out, as you can see. Most time I'm happy, laughing and stuff like that. But there comes a point when it does reach a limit, and it does stressed out, and you have to vent and express it. So this is me being stressed out, sad and down. I literally shut off my phone, last night, and I never carry it to work. It's in the drawer right now. I need to turn it on. So I need to turn it on to ensure that I don't miss any important calls and stuff like that. But I just need to take a break. That's all I'm doing. I'm just taking a break from it all, from messaging and talking to people. Because the thing is, I talk to a lot of people, I share stuff with them. They encourage me, I encourage them, I help them with their issues. But I'm just going through a phase right now where I just need to just shut down any phone calls, any texts, anything. Not to say that I'm running away from the problem, I'm not facing the issue, but sometimes you just have to find different ways to deal with the issues that you have, and this is one way I think that might help me fix or feel better about it, because instead of talking about the same issue to your friends, the solution is there, but you can't help the situation. They're going to encourage you, but at the end of the day, you need assistance to a certain extent. So the words of encouragement, they're good, but that's not the fix to the problem. You see, that will only make you feel better, but realistically it won't fix the problem. So instead of me going over it again and again, the same thing over and over again, I just decided to just shut down. You know, it's a choice whether you sit down and listen to the encouragement and stuff like that, and know in the back of your mind that at the end of the day, the situation is going to be the same. So yes, the encouragement is like a sugar coat. You're sugar coating it just for you to feel better within the moment. Yes, it might help relieve the stress a bit, but the bottom line is the problem is still there. You see what I'm saying? And what I'm trying to get at is that I need a fix. I need a fix for the problems. I don't need reasoning. I don't need, I don't need a sugar coat. I need a real fix. So because I need a real fix and I don't want a sugar coat, I'm not shutting myself away. And it might be unfair, but that's just how it is. And I'm very realistic. When it comes to situation, I don't like to sugarcoat. I like to say it as it is. So it's like, and I'm grabbing the blade. that's my situation, you see. But eventually, I'll come out of that phase because it's a phase. Eventually, I'll come out of that phase. But at this point in life, right now, this very moment, I just feel like to just not talk about it. So yeah, that's what it is right now, pretty much. But that was a long rant. I hope you guys are okay. I hope everybody is doing fine as usual. Everybody have their problems, but whatever way you can solve them. Don't try to paint it over. Try to fix it, solve it. That's the best way to do it. But apart from that, thanks for supporting me. Thanks for watching my vlogs. I like that you enjoy the vlogs at the water park. People seem to really enjoy that. It got 100 views so far, which is good. Steady progression and stuff like that. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm out. Bye bye.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest.